Welcome back to As in the Heart. On top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. The money where would they call? It don't make me
don't
like I
put
want to
you
make
into confusion.
I want to
That
make
is,
mistake.
you don't even know what they talk again.
Make we refresh everybody memory as it get to do with the topic when we carry come today. We call them matters arising based on two conjoint topics when we carry come. Number one get to do with the statement when we say the Minister for State for Petroleum, Oga Emmanuel Ibe Kachiku, talk about our petroleum sector. He may talk and say, if we check the way when our refineries dey, unless we carry out turnaround maintenance, say e go better say make we dey import country wey get oil o, e go better make we dey import come. We come dey ask questions say all the money wey we don dey vote since all these years, make dem use do turnaround maintenance, where all this money dey go? Maybe to come answer that question, the Auditor General of the Federation, he come out come talk say he don check all the whole book, he call some kind money wey be say the thing make people dey sweat, but the one wey concern us na with the one wey get to do with the joint body wey be say their work na oil work, NNPC. He talk say over 3.3 trillion naira na him dem just no carry put inside country account. E just disappear into thin air. We still dey collect phone calls and people dey talk to contribute for inside this particular matter. Wetin we go do to make government dey very very solid in the sense say people no go fit dey chop money anyhow for inside this our country Nigeria? We get one of our callers where they call us all the way from Badagry. Good morning and welcome to As in the Heart.
Good morning. Who dey there?
Hello.
Kiki, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, we dey hear you.
I want to thank Connor for what you do because
Okay.
it's not easy. But the thing I want to talk is we did too emotional for this country. You see, by the time when we won't vote this change, they don't tell us all these things when we dey hear. These people when they be thief. They won't go there, make them go repair things. Everybody wey one rule must get short time and long time plan.
Yes.
I never see one short time plan when this government don't give us. People just dey suffer, no light, no good road. If you won't come up from that Badagry reach Okoko, you go use 8 hours. And we get government. Now when I talk everyday money, if not be 3 trillion, it could be 4 trillion. All this one can't be me like bobo. Because the government, because I don't want to make somebody abuse anybody. This government not get any plan for we as Nigerians. Because there are too many intelligent people in this country.
Yes.
Let them bring Patotomi come now. Wale show in Kadedia. At least these are people that will not then get sense. Make we see what they fit do. Every day the country just the worst. If I open television, if I look on, I go say which new thing won't happen. We just they suffer. Our hospital no medicine. Nothing there. As I tell this too, I look outside of my window, so people never chop. And now with the year trillion, no trillion, trillion, no trillion, where are we going to? I thank now.
Kiki, we thank you very much for your contribution. The way where you even take drop and serve, the thing show say the matter they pay you well. We believe say we'll continue to discuss this matter and we go hope say those when they lead us go hear the voice of the Nigerian people and do wetin they right. We get Wahab, they call us all the way from Apapa. Wahab, good morning and welcome to As in the Heart.
Hello.
Good morning, Wahab.
Thank you.
Good morning.
In short, I really love this station. I've been expecting this type of station for too long. Because you people are talking the real thing.
Thank you very much.
I really appreciate the way you people are talking. Because if we start talking about Nigeria, till night, till the day we pray, we can't stop about talking about Nigeria. Because of this, our corruption, I think. But what I really see now, they are talking about taking our crude oil to another place to
refine.
Why can't they do our own refineries?
Fix our refineries, yes.
The people that are taking the oil, are they not the people? They spend money on their own. Why can't they spend money on our own so that we get our own oil in our
They don't talk now, stay revamping what they do.
So they know what to do. They are just sitting around the bush. So they know what to do in the country. So thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Wahab, for also dropping your own view, your own opinion on top of today's matter we don't drop. We sincerely, you go to say, everybody we don't call so far, they express that same bitterness. I'm not going to use the word bitterness, but that's vex say, look, if we get a country where we say, we don't get, every God don't bless us with everything. It's just there for our hand to say, okay, make we decide our fate. But somehow, just like say, people where they help in restructuring our fate, just they do them anyhow, the way they want. So which way forward? I want to get this thing right. We got another caller where they call us right now. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, Vincent from Ogun. Good morning.
Yeah. So I want to put more for the Matare background.
Will they hear you? Right on.
Yeah. So that's good. Good morning.
We agree to your Oga Vincent.
So I want to check more for that matter because the thing, as I hear it this way, I get as a bit for my body. So I just try on the number this.
But thank God say don't get us.
But
Hi,
Oga Vincent, if you like say the network no agree you.
You know to
But you be express your own matter, your own talk for this matter. Say you don't want try call us to talk about the thing. They show number busy. We dey very appreciative of the fact say plenty will they try call to Chukwu for this matter and I make the numbers then be hot cake. But I beg try to call to talk your own for this particular matter. We don't raise several issues for this particular issue. E go good make we begin to move forward to check how we go take fit make government one way we say e go dey very very difficult for people to just enter government money they will put them inside their own pocket. We get Emmanuel they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Emmanuel, good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Good, thank you.
Good morning, Emmanuel.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I like this your dress. You just dressed like French professor.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. My own contribution. That Dan, before I go break, that Dan talk well.
Okay.
You see, the truth remains the truth. We must know they deceive ourselves. You understand me? The government, they say they won't change. And we don't see the change. We dey see the magic wey they do. Now criticize the other government say why they go dey bring fuel
From outside,
abroad.
yes.
Why they go do the refine? No be wetin they want jump back to be this.
Yes.
You know that time. Why no be wetin they want jump back to be this? So why they go dey deceive us? Why they deceive us? See Auditor General. Your former Auditor General no get record before. You know they audit all the government affairs. This one come again, start they bring. I don't understand. May God just help me and you. Amen.
Oga Emmanuel, you end that your contribution with prayer because it be like say for this situation, based on the way they see am, water don't pass Gary. But it go dey very, very important, make we point them out, say, as a people, when want good for our country, not be for us to just sit down, cross our leg, they wait, say, make the good come. We self go stand up to participate in that particular process. If from today, we begin to tell ourselves, say, matter when concern us for Nigeria, we go chook eye inside, contribute our own, so that those when they lead us go, they're not going to do wetin just dey their mind. They go do wetin the people really want. It go dey good. And remember, say, the decisions when we take today, and it go affect the lives of the children them when go come tomorrow. So if Papa shout up NEPA, firstborn shout up NEPA, pikin shout up NEPA. If you're not careful, if they born their own children, they will continue to dey shout up NEPA. We know say no be magic, we know say no go happen once, but it go good make we begin to see this particular process. If we get country where we say we get refineries, and we dey beat our chest, they talk say for the Committee of Nations where they produce oil, see the position where we dey. And our refineries na something where we say e just dey there for decoration.
No, still dey under revamping. Just as Daniel talk, or Daniel will call us, he talks, say, look, say we don't dey revamping for how long? Say, not be today we begin to hear the issue of, say, restructuring, revamping. You know, all those stuff where they go adopt to say they won't take, still process of getting a particular thing done. So now they say the process today. And the Oga Ibekachuk also come and talk, say, we still dey revamping and process. Okay, this revamping, when it go end? And that's why I still ask, okay, we get refineries. I don't talk here, we get refineries. We know they address the issue of our refineries. And we also ask ourselves, in the last administration, you get people where we say that they are just responsibility, so they bring in this oil. People where we say now part of us. Okay, what did they also do to address that thing? If they don't block that space, At least the thought of say, okay, make we fix our refinery so that at least our refinery go dey work, go at least it go occur to us. But if not, we say people will be say they have their responsibility to just say make I go refine because of say I get refinery outside. Anyhow way it turn out to be, and me not accept. Then where are we going to? Now the question was they ask, and I would ask this question when they go. Where would they head to from here? Make we address this because part of it in the same government promise us say, look, say they go address this matter. And I also remember say they also tackle the past administration say we get refineries. They don't fix refineries. And in the end, they bring in fuel from outside. Why they never address this one, even as we speak? We got Kazim where they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Kazim. Kazim, good morning.
Okay, Kazim, you did there?
Yes, I did hear from you.
They hear you, right on.
I thank God say I enter your this thing now.
Okay.
I don't call busy. But I like this program. This is my first time of watching it too.
Okay.
Because I know the day for us, but I really thank God today. I really enjoy your program.
Okay, thanks.
But what about this thing? All our fuel? You no see fuel to buy now. No see anything to run generator. Nothing. Nothing I go talk for this government. Make them find solution for this thing.
Okay. Now the question where they ask, as part of our discussion yesterday, we'll talk about this thing yesterday. And part of it we'll talk about, say, look, say the Minister of State for Petroleum also stock, say, look, say starting from that yesterday, say fuel go dey available. One believe say the process of ensuring say this fuel go around, they on the way. We got Joseph. Joseph, they call us from Abia. Good morning, Oga Joseph.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Joseph.
Yes, we know. Right on.
Must be say, since where they bomb me, they hear say they want do
turn around maintenance.
Since where they bomb me, since I think the thing no good at all. I don't look this thing. I don't look this thing. Till today, I even there 30 years now. They still they
talk.
Turn around maintenance.
Can you imagine that kind of thing? The thing they vex me honestly.
No, make you no vex. No vex because at least now when people like you insist on waiting they right, and you can also get other voices who also insist on waiting they right. Now that time our government will say yes, but say our people don't speak out, and they will know what they will do to take address issues that affect us.
Very true. Okay, Joseph, and as a people, we must demand more from government. If government talk say, see what thing they won't do, after a particular period of time, we go ask them say, okay, this is the way you say you won't do. What do you take do? I'm like you talk say from when you small. Just like those of us when they here too. And I'm very sure say everybody too. And with the year turn around maintenance. And every time you go be like say this strong word, they go just drop them down to use and confuse people. On top of us, the hot, we want guarantee and assure Nigerians say, so long as say this platform they available, you go come, you go talk your own. And we dey very, very sure say, as a people, if all of us talk with one voice, those when we say we give them the power to go represent us, they go do wetin dey right to better the life of everybody inside Obodo, Nigeria. But if we go move on, Oga Ibekachukwu don talk say, okay, if we no revamp our refineries, we no go fit go anywhere from there. Wetin be the things wey we suppose do now? Because make you no continue like the turnaround maintenance we done the year before. Chibuzo, they call us all the way from Owerri. Chibuzo, good morning and welcome to I See the Heart.
Chibuzo, good morning.
Good morning, sirs. How are you?
We dey fine.
Okay. Please, my contribution is that I want to sing a music for Nigerians.
Okay.
A song that Sonny Okosu sings 5 years back. That nobody have ever given us the answer in this country up to today. Which way, Nigeria? Which way to go?
Okay, Chibuzo, the situation turn you to musician.
I want to know which I want to go. Which way, Nigeria? So Nigeria will fall. Many years after our independence.
You even want to read the verse too. Okay, Chibuzo, I all leave this song.
We know the song where you talk.
We don't hear your contribution.
We know the song where you talk. It's the address on that same revamping process that they talk about.
So Nigeria will fall.
Thank you very much. That's my contribution.
Oga Chibuzo, thank you very much for this your contribution via the music ministry as it get to do with the situation of things for Nigeria. But then again, make it touch all of us. Say, if Oga Sonny Okosun sing this particular song several years ago, and somebody feel call of us, can't give us the remix this morning. I mean, say na the same condition when you be like say we did before. Na me day. We been get Oga Ibe. Okay, Egbe, they call us all the way from Apapa. Oga Igbe, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Egbe, good morning. Egbe, you there?
Okay, Egbe, you there?
Bless say we don't lose.
Bless say the network don't come out. It go good make we move on from this part.
Okay, Bless say Egbe there. Good morning,
Hello,
Egbe.
hello.
Yeah, we dey hear you. Right on.
Oga Chinedu.
Chukwudi, no be your Chinedu, Chukwudi.
This matter we on the talk,
Okay.
It is with me well.
Okay.
Our problem of this country, na God hand it there. What we gonna do now to be praying for God to give us a good leader. All this money, what they call since we don't hear them, we don't pay, and our ear don't fool. All these refineries, all these our leaders, all these our leaders, all of them, they get their own private refineries outside this country. How can our own refineries work? Because they are benefiting from there. The masses are suffering. Every blessed year, we will be suffering from fuel scarcity. The money where poor people are supposed to use chop, they go use and go buy fuel. They're hungry. No light, no good road, no pipe-borne water. What do they do? We are all living by the grace of God. So what do we talk? We say, let everybody they pray. We never see change. If this government can bring change tomorrow, let us pray so that change will come. So that the poor masses in this country will benefit from the thing God give us free to enjoy with.
Yes,
so the matter when they discuss, I so much like them. May God bless you, people.
Thank you very much, Oga Igbe. We appreciate this your particular contribution as it get to do with the matter when we discuss today. As we don't hear all this contribution when we say our people don't call to make for inside this particular matter, we be like say we go rush quick, enter inside small market. When we go this market, come back, now final bus up we go there on top of the issue when get to do with the NNPC and the talk when we say the Minister for State for Petroleum, Oga Ibe Kachukwu talk. No go anywhere. Now still as it Welcome back to As It Dey Hot, the senior brother of every program when they inside Obodo the World on top of Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV. We go beg you, say if you dey watch this program and you dey enjoy am, I beg, spread the word, let other Nigerians know. Any part of Nigeria where you dey, you fit watch this program. If you go get am on top of channel 98 for Go TV, it is very, very easy for you. And if you dey inside Lagos, Wazobia Max UHF 57. And also those when we say they no go fit watch am for TV direct, we also dey on top of YouTube. You fit watch us online. Just check for am and see all of the program them. Watch and continue to make your important contribution. The one who carry come today, we want to discuss since 10 o'clock. Get to do with the talk when we say the Minister for State for Petroleum talk about our refineries them. He talk say to carry fuel come inside this country that is by way of import, it is very, very cheaper than we make them for here. Unless we revamp our refineries based on turnaround maintenance. And people they ask questions, say, how do you maintain when we don't maintain these refineries since? Where the money they enter, where the work when they do they go. And also the one when we say the Auditor General of the Federation come out come talk, say so many agencies of government, they just pocket money when we say they're supposed to put inside government account, especially the NNPC when it talk say over 3.3 trillion naira. Now they don't put inside government account based on say the thing just enter people pockets. We discuss these questions they go and we try see solutions on how we go make government solid and make them very difficult for people when we say their own not to come chop money inside government based on waiting they think for their mind.
Yes, and Chuko, the thing we say a lot of things are being uncovered as we talk. So we discover money, we try recover money, and the money we they hear they so huge to the point where we say even once we hear that kind of amount, they even shock us. But before we go further on this, we'll collect this call from Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby, they call us from Amsterdam. Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Good morning. I greet you too.
We greet you too.
Okubi, anytime when I call now, you go like to want talk plenty.
Oga Bobby,
Hmm?
would they hear you? Would they hear you?
Okay. Anyway, the topic I want you to contribute small put for inside. The TBC, why would they get all these problems? All these refinery problem and government problem. We know they invest into maintenance in anything. Anything at all where the government something, we need to invest on maintenance of it. Because if you look everything at all, when shoe, clothes, or anything at all, it they expire. Everything they expire. We human being would expire. Expiring of human being be dead. We die. You see also everything they get expiring dates. Nothing they last forever. Then I want to get to know as for Nigeria, we get to know that one. Road to the expire. Again, you go reach, it go spoil. So you get to maintain that. You get to call people to go look at it. They'll come look at okay, they'll shut them down, they'll come construct them. Even like yesterday for my house here, people come check my house, check the window, check the door, check my electricity, my water, whether the water is still hot well, everything. Yesterday, you know what I tell you, so yesterday they call check company who own the house, they call do checking of the house. So if the thing don't meet standard, they go shut the thing, they go find another house for me temporarily, they go freeze the whole thing when they say one square. Those are the things that come maintenance. That's what it lack of. If you see it during the good luck time, when they show for Lagos there, that police station, when they say the place don't fall, the building don't collapse, the toilet don't work, nothing. That is government something will not be maintenance. Maintenance may be the problem with the get. That's what we get to work on, how to maintain something. After they read the project for the thing finish, then need the people who go to maintain to look at it, whether the thing will meet the standard. They go check how many years it will take for the thing to get repaired again. Thank you. That's my contribution.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We get Oga Barnabas in the call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Barnabas, good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Barnabas, good morning.
Oga Barnabas, you there? Like say network no gree, Oga Barnabas make an important contribution. Oga Bobby talk something when they very, very significant, and it go good make we use that particular contribution cover all the things when we say we don't discuss. If we look all the problems when we face, especially for that particular petroleum sector, like in don't talk, now maintenance, now one of the things, just like every other sector, but that particular sector, maintenance now something when we say we need to improve upon. But not be say we no get the culture for Nigeria.
Thank you. Not be say we no get the culture, because for me, I want to say negligence, just deliberate negligence to say, okay, make this thing spoil. Or probably, even if they say they allocate money for them, so say make they take maintain. Okay, then they actually invest that money or spend that money for that maintenance.
Very, very
These are the question. Not be say
the fact say that they put money aside to use maintenance, now indication say we no fall from mass. We say we be human being, we know say if we put something in place for the thing not to spoil or for the thing to work well, we will guys they check them, they repair them. So we get that culture, but like who could be talk negligence. Now one thing when we say they cause problem. We get Chris. Chris they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Okay, Chris, you be our last caller. Good morning and welcome to Ask Idiot Hot.
Ukubi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chris.
I greet Chukudi too.
I greet you, Oga Chris.
No, say yesterday I say I want to lay my blame on two of you. Today, when they look at these things, this one go come, he go torrent. Obasanjo come, he torrent. The refinery, it stand that way it stand. The other one go come, he go torrent. Good luck, turn everything around. See, the only thing when I go advise you now, let me tell them, any leader when he not pray for wisdom, he not do anything, he not go anywhere. See, by Solomon for Bible, when they make him the richest man in the whole world, as a leader, he say, God, I beg, give me wisdom. Without wisdom, nobody can lead. All our leaders, they are just leading on their own. That's why they used to pocket the whole money and go away. All the whole money you are talking about now is with them. All of us that are making noise here, we are just making noise for nothing.
Oga Chris, thank you very much for this your important contribution. But we go assure you, say, not be noise. Based on say, as we dey talk am as a people, and we know say na wetin we want for this country, government go do wetin we want, because if they no do am, we go comot them for that particular place when they dey, because na we dem dey represent. We get Uya dey call us all the way from Ikorodu. Uya, good morning and welcome to Asire Hot.
Yeah, good morning. This is Uya on the line. I'm calling from Ikorodu.
We dey hear you, Uya. Continue.
Yeah, please, I want to make my opinion.
Okay.
For the fuel refinery.
Okay.
The only problem that we have in Nigeria here, we don't have a good leader. We don't have a good leader that's following things good in a good way. We only like the lies for ourselves, fooling ourselves. So from January to December, even though we bring the president now, because I'm not seeing what House of Rep are doing there, senators are doing there, that is their work for refinery matter. So every year and a year they will fooling us, say they are doing this, they're spending money. This Nigeria has money, but I'm not seeing what they are using that money for. They are sitting down there fooling us. It's not good. So that's my opinion.
Thank you very much. We don't get your point.
Important contribution on top of the issue when we discuss today. Our people, when they for us, they talk and say Nigeria and our country, no go spoil. We appreciate all those when we say, believe in the fact, say, as a people, if we see the right thing, make we talk am. Everybody knows say that they talk say, Vox Populi, Vox Dei, that is to say, the voice of the people, not the voice of God. If collectively as a people, we talk what they right, and what we want make the government do, the government will do what we want make them do. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come out smoke, to discuss them as the matter they hot. Nkubi.
From me, we be Nkubi, bye-bye.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.